Good morning, everyone. Before we begin the session, please open the portal that we have shared with you to mark your attendance. Click here to start your attendance. Today, we are going to learn about chart of accounts and analytic accounts. Let's begin with the chart of accounts. To access the chart of accounts, click here. Then, accounting option can be found here. Then, click on the configuration option followed by chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is the list of all the accounts used to record financial transactions in the general ledger of an organization. The accounts are usually listed in the order of appearance in the financial reports. Most of the time, they are classified as balance sheet and profit and loss. Balance sheet account includes asset, liabilities, and equity. Profit and loss includes income, expenses, and other accounts. When browsing your chart of accounts, you can filter the accounts by number in the left column. If we click here in the numbers, we can see accounts that start with the selected number and also group them by account type. Odoo already includes chartered account configured according to each country's regulations. We can use it directly or create new ones according to our needs. To create a new account, click on the New button. Then give the desired code number and name in the field. Identifying the correct account type is very critical as it serves multiple purposes. To select an account type, click here. Then select the right one from among the list. The next option is account reconciliation. Account reconciliation ensures that your financial record match external statements, example bank statement. For enabling reconciliation for an account, click here. If you want to add more fields related to an account in this window, we can add them by clicking on the parallel lines in the right corner. After that, save the account that we have created. If we want to add more details to this account, click on the View button. Now, we can add more details and also edit the details already provided. In the default tax field, we can select a default tax that is to be applied when this account is chosen for a product sale or purchase. Tax allows you to group related accounts together for reporting purposes. Then the next option is allowed journals. You can define different types of journals based on the accounting transactions they are used for. We can set allowed journals as empty. If we set it empty, we can use the account in all the journals. The next option is account currency. We can set an account currency for each account. Each account can be associated with a specific currency. When an account has a set currency, all transactions related to that account are forced to use that currency. Another available option is deprecated. It is not possible to delete an account once a transaction has been recorded on it. So, we can make them unusable by using the deprecated feature. Then the next option is cash flow type. The cash flow type is not directly set during the account creation. Instead, it is inferred based on the account's purpose and behavior. The cash flow types are operations, investing activities, and financing activities. This is all about chart of accounts. Now we can look into analytic account. Analytic account helps you to track cost, revenues, and analyze the profitability of projects or services. When creating journal entries, the analytic widget allows you to distribute cost across one or more analytic accounts. To enable the analytic accounting feature, go to configuration, then settings. Under the settings, you can find analytic accounting. Check on this box, then click on the save button. To access the existing analytic account, go to configuration, then analytic accounting, then analytic accounts. Here you will find details such as name of the analytic account, reference, customer, plan, debit, credit, and balance. The analytic accounts listed here can be grouped based on associated partners from here. By selecting the account, we can view more details of the respective accounts, and if we want, we can edit them. To create a new analytic account, click on the new button. We can see this new button from here also. So click on the new button to create a new analytic account. Fill in the required information. Here we can give a respective name for the analytic account. Then the next option is customer. Select the customer related to your project if it is applicable. Next option is reference. Reference refers to a unique number. It helps users quickly identify and differentiate between different analytic accounts, such as projects, departments, or cost centers. This reference can be alphanumeric. Then the next option is plan. Plan refers to the budget or forecast associated with the analytic account. It allows users to set financial targets or expectations for the account, such as planned revenue, expenses, or profit margins. Then the next option is currency. Actually, we can't change the currency. We need to select a plan first, then only we can go to another option. This currency is our company's currency, so we can't change here. Then specify the budget information as needed. If we want to create a new plan, we need to go to configuration, then analytic accounting, then analytic plans. Then click on the new button. Fill in the necessary details for the plan. The plan's name will be department. Then the next option is parent. Parent means here we can select the existing plan. If you want to link this plan to your other existing plan to build a hierarchy. The next option is default applicability. Default applicability. This is decide how your plan behaves in the widget when creating a new ledger. The options are optional, mandatory, and unavailable. If we choose the option optional, it is non-mandatory to add the analytic plan in the widget. If we choose the option mandatory, an orange bullet is visible in the widget next to the plan until the analytic distribution is done. After the selection of the plan, the bullet turns green. It will be not possible to confirm the entry if no analytic account is selected. Then if we choose the option unavailable, the plan will not be available in the widget. Select the color of the tag related to this specific plan. Fine-tune your plan's applicability based on domains, financial account prefix, product category, and applicability. You can also create subplans for a more complex analytic structure. Okay. So this is all about the creation of analytic accounts and analytic plans in Odoo 17. Now we can look into the exercise. The first exercise is that you need to create 5 accounts, and the account ID's prefix must be started with your user ID. Similarly, you need to create analytic accounts and analytic plan. In analytic plan, you need to set parent category too. If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts through this Q&A screen. Okay, thank you.